Assignment A0302. In this assignment, we will check whether a given number is happy number or not. We use the function happy number to determine if a number is happy by repeatedly summing the squares of its digit until the sum becomes 1 or repeats. Returns a tuple indicating whether the number is happy or sad. Along with the list of visited numbers during the process, function main handles the user's input to check whether a number is happy or not, prints the result summaries if num equals to main block. Ensures that the main function is executed only the script is run directly. Questions. How do you check and handle the execution due to invalid inputs? In the main function, exceptions due to invalid inputs are caught and handled using a try except block. The try block attempts to execute the code inside it, which includes the reading the user's input, converting it to an integer, checking if it's positive. If any of this operation raises a value error, the control flow jumps to the except block. In the except block, an error message is printed to inform the user about the invalid input, and the program prompts the user to enter a valid input again. Question 2. How do you compute the sum of the squares of a number digit? Num underscore string equals to string bracket num. This converts the integer number to a string num underscore string, allowing us to iterate over its individual digit. Iterate over each digit in the string representation of the numbers of using loop. Inside the loop digit is converted back to an integer using int. The square of this digit is computed using the exceptional operator. The squared value is added to the running total underscore sum. Repeat the process for each digit in the number. After iterating over all the digits, the variable total sum contains the sum of the squares of the digit of the original number. How does a code know when to stop when operating on a sad number? The function starts by adding the initial number to the uh, visited numbers list. If the current sum is not in the list, it adds it and continues to the next iteration. If the current sum is already in the list, indicating a cycle, the function returns sad visited numbers. How do you use accumulators in some part of your codes? Accumulators are variables used to collect values during the program execution. In this program, total sum accumulators accumulates the sum of the squares of the digits of the number num using a generator expression. In the happy number uh, num function, visited numbers accumulates all the visited numbers. The initial number is added to the list. When a new sum is encountered, which is not in the list, it is appended to the visited numbers, aiding in detecting cycles. Thank you.